Artificial intelligence is rapidly evolving. It's changing the world as we know it. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is everywhere. But despite its progress, AI faces significant challenges. One of the most pressing is the ability to truly understand and interact with the nuances of human communication. This is where Manus AI comes in. Manus AI represents a new era of artificial intelligence. Its goal is to overcome the limitations of traditional AI. It aims to bridge the gap between machine understanding and human expression. This is a monumental task, but the potential rewards are enormous. Manus AI is not just another AI system. It's a fundamental shift in how we approach machine learning and artificial intelligence. It is designed to learn and adapt in real time. This makes it capable of engaging with the dynamic and complex world around us. Current AI systems often struggle with context. They take things literally. They miss the subtle cues that humans use to communicate. This can lead to misunderstandings and errors. Imagine a self-driving car misinterpreting a hand gesture from a pedestrian, or a medical AI making a diagnosis based on incomplete patient information. The consequences can be serious. Another major hurdle is human interaction. Most AI systems are limited to pre-programmed responses. They lack the flexibility and creativity of human conversation. This makes them feel robotic and impersonal. Think about chatbots that fail to understand your questions, or virtual assistants that provide generic and unhelpful answers. It's clear that AI needs to improve in this area. Manus AI addresses these challenges head-on. It utilizes a novel approach to natural language processing. This allows it to decipher not just the words themselves but also the meaning behind them. This deeper understanding of context and nuance sets it apart from conventional AI systems. The key to Manus AI's success lies in its unique architecture. Unlike traditional AI, which relies on static datasets, Manus AI is built for continuous learning. It absorbs information from the real world in real time. This allows it to adapt and evolve its understanding, much like a human brain. This real-time learning capability is essential for navigating the complexities of human communication. Language is constantly evolving with new words, phrases, and slang emerging all the time. Manus AI can keep pace with these changes. It ensures that its responses are always accurate, relevant, and up-to-date. But Manus AI goes beyond just understanding language. It can also interpret emotions, recognize humor, and even grasp sarcasm. This ability to understand the nuances of human communication makes it an incredibly powerful tool for a wide range of applications. Imagine a world where AI can seamlessly translate languages in real time, a world where doctors can rely on AI assistants to provide accurate diagnoses and personalized treatment plans, a world where AI tutors can provide customized education tailored to each student's needs. This is the future that Manus AI is building. The potential applications of Manus AI are limitless. From revolutionizing customer service to transforming scientific research, Manus AI is poised to reshape countless industries. It has the potential to enhance human capabilities, automate complex tasks, and solve some of the world's most pressing problems. Manus AI is not just the future of artificial intelligence, it's the future of our interaction with technology. It's a future where machines don't just understand our words, but also comprehend our thoughts and emotions. It's a future full of possibilities. It's a future worth embracing.